Hi guys, today's video is going to be a what's in my bag. I figured why not start off the new year with cleaning out and showing you guys what I carry around in my new purse. Now, this isn't really a new purse. It is vintage. I bought it off of eBay, a reputable seller from Japan, and I think I can do a whole video on that as well. So stay tuned for how I buy pre-loved items. But this is my nylon Lady Dior. It's a medium size, so it is pretty big. It carries or holds so much. So I'm going to show you what I carry around. So the first couple things that I see in my bag are a pen. I always love to carry around a pen because you never know when you need to write something down, and I usually carry my agenda. So my favorite pen are the Pentel RSVP pens. They are my favorite. And then I also have hand sanitizer. This is grapefruit and lemon, and this is the one from Trader Joe's that I've always raved about. I've picked this up multiple times. I love this one. It makes your hands soft, and the smell isn't overwhelming. So I love that one so much. Also hand cream. It's black tea and leche with collagen. It smells really good. So I like that because in the wintertime, you wash your hands so often, and then because it's so dry, or there's no moisture in the air, it makes my skin extremely dry. So I always want to carry around some kind of lotion. Next this is Angel perfume. It's actually a perfuming hair mist. So I love to carry this around because sometimes not only does your body need a mist, but your hair needs a mist, you know? So keep your hair smelling good so that people, when they walk past you, they're like, what is that smell? Not only is it your body, it's literally just a whiff of your hair. So I love that. That smells amazing. It smells so good. Then I have this little Prada makeup bag. I've had this for so many years. Not sure why I purchased it so long ago because it's like ridiculously small, but I'm going to show you what I carry around in here. It's all filled with lip products. Can you see that? So I'm going to just go through them real quick. I pretty much wear the same color tone all the time. I think I love the color of a not extreme nude, but more of like a pink nude where it like enhances my natural lip color. So you'll see a trend going on with all these lip colors. This one is Christian Dior. Of course, I love the packaging. I love the fact that it says Dior engraved on the lipstick. I'm a sucker for packaging. I don't know what color this is because I received this in like a lip kit, and you're able to actually pop out the lipsticks and put different lipsticks in the case. So I found that like so cute and so interesting that you can keep doing that and carry one lipstick case around with different lipsticks if you really need to. So the other one that I really love is MAC Hug Me. This is like an all-time favorite. I'm sure lots of people have this. This is as nude as it gets for me, but it's pretty sheer. So I love this when I have more of like a smoky eye going on. I can definitely wear more of a nude. Then I have YSL. This is also another favorite. It is in the color 09. It is a Rouge pour Couture. Again, it's that like pinky rosy nudish color. I love that. And like, look at the packaging. This is just beautiful. I have this little pill container. It's a pill organizer, and I picked this up when I was in Portugal, and I thought this was so pretty because you always need to carry around some kind of vitamins or Tylenol or Motrin. I mean, we're girls. We need some drugs in our bag at some time in our life or another, right? So I figured why not carry it in a cute little carrying case. So I have that. I have this is a YSL compact. It is a Touche Éclat Blur Perfector. I really love this because it instantly blurs out maybe your pores, and the reason I really use it, it's this like pink little lotion and it has a mirror. So I love the fact that I just used a mirror whenever I need to like touch something up or put on a new color of lipstick. But it helps control my oils. So throughout the day, I kind of just take a little bit and I dab it pretty much like on my forehead, down my nose. This is a lifesaver. Next one is this little tiny Nars liquid lipstick. It is in the color American Woman. It's really pretty. Again, it's that same rosy pink color. It is, I would say it's definitely a rosy pink nude tone. But I love this. This is really pigmented and it will stay on your lips for a very long time. Next. We're running fast because there's a lot of lip products for no reason in here. But I was obsessed. It came in a 3-pack, but I'm obsessed with the packaging of Pat McGrath. She like nails it. I love the fact there's little lips on here, and I never tried her formula, so I wanted to start with a trio. My favorite 2 colors right now are Omni and Flesh 3. So I think the one I like the best, because one is slightly nude, like darker than the other, and I think Omni or OMI, Omni is like one of my favorites. I might have to buy that full size. If I want some kind of gloss, I really love the Urban Decay Revolution lipsticks in the color Kinky. This is beautiful. And then last product for lips is Winky Lux. I mean, Winky Lux is, I didn't understand why it's not on my radar. It's just, this is, you know, when you're in Sephora and you're walking through to get to the cash register, the point of purchases, of course. Look at this. I don't even know if you can see it that far away, but it is a clear lip balm kind of that has glitter inside. But first of all, you don't feel the glitter. And second, it is like a mood lipstick. So you basically put this all over your lips like a gloss, and it's very glossy and moisturizing. And it changes the color of your lips, I guess, by the chemistry. So basically it gives me this beautiful pinky rose color, and I love this in the summertime because you don't have to be so careful when you're putting on lipstick. You literally can just like put it all on without a mirror, and it's genius. I love it. And it's so cute too. Then I just have this little tiny compact whenever I want to touch up, you know, after a couple of hours at work. I love adding some kind of illuminizer. This is from Chanel. It is just called Fusion. I'm not really sure if they even carry this anymore, but it's a gold kind of shimmer, and it's really pretty because it just kind of illuminates, you know, the high points of my face that I want to make more noticeable. So that is all that is in my little makeup thing, or little Prada makeup case. And yeah, that's kind of what I carry around. I don't really carry around any other makeup but lips, because you just eat and drink and you want to just put more stuff on. So that's that. And then I have my little card case. This one is super cute. This one is by Marc Jacobs. I found this at Century 21, and I had a little black Chanel one, and I love the fact that it had like bright colors, because whenever I went into my black bag, I pulled out a black wallet, and I wanted something to be more fun and colorful. So I found this one. It's metallic. It's beautiful. I love this. It fits so much stuff in here. So tell me if you guys love card cases, or are you guys like full on wallets still? Next is this like Louis Vuitton clay, but I just stuff like cash and change in here, and it's useful. So that like if I only want to carry cash and change, I have this. If I want to carry cards, I have all my cards in here. Then I have, again, this is a little jar that I use to put pills in it. It has some Midol in here. I have a lock and key because I just went to the gym, so you want to lock up all your shit. I was starving, and I was at the Dollar Tree, and I picked up these green apple chips. These are really good. If you guys find these, buy them. They're good. I have some earbuds, and I have just a key. And so it has all my key, you know, it has a house key, my work key, it has keys in here, but I've had this for a while now, and I love this. I love the color. So you can tell that I'm really into like rainbow. As you can see on my phone, I love rainbow. So that is all that's in my bag. Quickly, again, this is the Lady Dior in the nylon. So it's really easy to maintain and wipe down. I feel as though with all of my other like maybe leather bags, I don't have to be as careful with this one, but I really do love it. You can add a handle to it. You can carry it by the handle here, or you can, again, carry, you can put straps on it. It did not come with a strap, but I was okay with that because I purchased other straps separately. The lining inside is red, but I also have a bag organizer in here just to keep its shape. And yeah, I'm kind of obsessed with it. So that is one of my newest bags. I hope you enjoyed seeing what I carry around pretty much on a daily basis. So thanks so much for watching this video. Bye guys.